Hi, this is David Barista, Editor-in-Chief of Building Design and Construction Magazine. We're here at Greenbuild 2013 in Philadelphia, and I have two designers from Perkins+Will, Breeze and Mary. I'd love to have you introduce yourselves very quickly, and we're going to talk about LEED for healthcare and greening of hospitals and other healthcare buildings. So, Breeze?
Excellent. My name is Breeze Glazer. I serve as the firm-wide Research Knowledge Manager for Sustainable Healthcare Design, which is a bit too long of a title.
And my name is Mary Dickinson, and I work in our Dallas office as a designer and also as a sustainable design leader, just working with all of the teams on our LEED projects and sustainable initiatives.
And so Breeze sat in on a panel all about LEED for healthcare, and I'd love to have you talk about, I know a lot of it focused on the challenges that AEC firms and owner firms have to overcome when applying LEED to healthcare buildings. Can you get into a little bit about what you discussed at the panel?
That's right. As a firm, we have wholeheartedly embraced LEED for healthcare. Healthcare is about half of, perhaps a third of kind of the projects we design at Perkins+Will, and so it's quite important to design them sustainably. We recently completed some kind of groundbreaking research which looked to identify the capital cost premium of achieving LEED certification for hospitals. That research showed it was around 0.67% extra, so quite small and incremental. The panel I'm on today is focusing on some of the lessons learned and challenges of LEED for healthcare. It was a brand new rating system. Some credits were quite familiar from the older versions of LEED. Quite a few were new to teams, and so they had a new set of requirements. They might require a new set of consultants. For example, there's a brand new prerequisite in LEED for healthcare, SSP2, Environmental Site Assessment, which was not a requirement for projects before, and again, might require a new type of consultancy on your project.
And I work a lot with Breeze. Breeze, as you said, we're very passionate about really making healthcare more sustainable in all type of attributes, and obviously there's a huge push right now for the health in the interior environment. And so another area where you could look at LEED for healthcare and the changes is, for example, the furnishings, the medical equipment, medical furnishings and furniture, and what they're requiring there to eliminate some of the substances. And so that's where we can start. And now that we're seeing LEED v4 coming out with all of its requirements for EPDs, et cetera, right, that are including this, the HPDs, and with manufacturers putting out that information, it's going to help us a lot more being able to acquire that credit, right, and make this easier. Right now, we're working with a lot of manufacturers, helping them understand really, what that means. And so there's a lot of education in all of this, but it's definitely great and moving in the right direction.
Thanks, guys. And once again, we see the LEED system, USGBC, driving change in the market. I mean, just over the last couple of days, my inbox is filled with companies announcing EPDs, HPDs. They're putting the ingredients on the side of their cereal box. So it's hugely important. And I can't think of a building type, maybe K through 12 schools, that is more deserving of going green, sustainability, and healthier occupancy.